Have you ever tried scanning a document and it looks like it just came out of surviving a tornado? Like the text is bending, the page is curving, and somehow it comes out looking worse than the original. Yeah, turns out that's not your fault, mostly. That's just how scanning works. Until now. Hi, I am Drake, and you are watching the iScanner YouTube channel. And today I'm going to show you one of the most low-key, underrated powerful features in iScanner, which is the ability to automatically straighten documents using AI. And I'm not talking about rotating a page or cropping something. I'm actually talking about fixing distortion. Think of like books that are very thick and the letters just kind of bend whenever you hold the book open, or wrinkled paper, receipts, things like that. All of these things that have basically just been through life. So before we talk about this iScanner fix, let me tell you a story, and trust me, it's relevant. So a few weeks ago, I was trying to scan text from this massive textbook. I honestly don't remember what the book was called. But you know when you press the page down and it kind of bends in the middle? Long story short, I scan it and it looks like it's doing drunken yoga. I was thinking there's no way I could send this to anyone. This looks illegal or something. And here's the real issue. When it's warped like that, it's not just ugly. It's harder to read and it's harder for iScanner's OCR to function the way it's supposed to. If you're scanning something important like contracts, notes, applications, that distortion can obviously mess up the final result. So that's where this feature comes into play, iScanner's AI Straightener. And with one tap, this removes all of that warping and turns it into a nice, clean, legible scan. That's perfectly flat and perfectly rectangular. Watch this. Now let's test it on something real. So this is my original scan. It's curved, it's uneven, it's just kind of bending all over the place. Now I'm going to apply the straightener, and just like that, everything is aligned, flat, readable, and rectangular. And it keeps the original structure of the original document. So text, layout, graphics, all of that stays intact. So what's actually happening here, if you think about it, is pretty wild. iScanner uses a geometric algorithmic dewarper using AI. Basically, it analyzes the shape of the document, detects distortions, breaks it down, and then rebuilds it into a flat surface. So instead of you trying to flatten that book with your two hands, and then you get a cramp in your thumb, this AI just does it for you. Although I don't necessarily recommend you read an entire book via iScanner, but it's very useful if you want to scan something that is warped like that and send it to a colleague or a classmate. And this AI tool isn't just guessing, it's been trained thoroughly to detect all different kinds of shapes and sizes and distortions. It can also handle things like columns, images, and other miscellaneous graphics. Obviously, this can be super useful in other real-life applications. Think about crumpled up receipts. Another thing is documents maybe for work, especially if you're submitting something super important, maybe a job application. So yeah, back to my cursed textbook scan story. I ran it through this feature in iScanner, and suddenly it looked like I scanned it on a $2,000 office scanning machine. Same phone, same device, same page, but completely different result. This is one of those features, one of those things you don't realize you need it until you use it once. And then you can't go back. So if you scan anything like notes, documents, or receipts, this saves you a lot of time and makes everything look more professional. Try the AI straightening feature in iScanner today and see for yourself.